Good evening, Vanakkam. Welcome to the 24th edition of the All Women Duchess Car Rally in Chennai. We are very, very happy to be presenting the rally year on year without a break. That is thanks to all our sponsors who are with us and who support the rally. And we have Amit also who supports from the technical side. Amit, so can you please come forward and tell us how to take the rally forward from here?
Okay. For this year's இந்த வருஷம் ரேலி வந்து நாங்கள் ஒரு ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் தீம் வச்சுருக்கோம், ஜெய் ஹிந்த். இந்த தீம் பிரகாரம் நாங்கள் இந்த வருஷம் எல்லா ரேலி பார்ட்டிசிபெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு சென்னையோடைய ஹிஸ்ட்ரி காமிக்க போகிறோம். அந்த ஹிஸ்ட்ரி எது இப்போறதுக்கு மக்களுக்கு ஜென்ரலாக தெரியாது. ஹிடன் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி ஆஃப் சென்னை and the connect to Jai Hind will be brought up in this rally, and that will be something which will be very important for all the participants. முக்கியமான இந்த ரேலி வந்து ஒரு ரேஸ் கிடையாது. நீங்கள் வண்டி வந்து ஸ்பீடாக ஓட்டி பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக தேவையில்லை. ரெண்டாவது, உங்களுக்கு நீங்கள் எந்த வண்டி ஓட்டினாலும் எந்த அட்வான்டேஜ் கிடையாது. நீங்கள் பெரிய வண்டி ஃபேன்சி வண்டி ஓட்டினா உங்களுக்கு அட்வான்டேஜ் கிடையாது. மாருதி 800லேருந்து ஃபெராரி யாருமே வந்து பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணால் எல்லாருக்கும் ஒன்றா தான் இருக்கும் இந்த ரேலி. இந்த ரேலியில் நாங்கள் ஃபுல்லாக இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் விவரமாக எல்லாருக்கும் தரோம். அந்த இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் யார் கரெக்டாக ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறாங்க, பெனல்ட்டி பாயிண்ட்ஸ் சிஸ்டம் இருக்குது. யார் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் கரெக்டாக ஃபாலோ பண்ணலைன்னா பெனல்ட்டி பாயிண்ட்ஸ் உண்டு. யார் கம்மியான பெனல்ட்டி பாயிண்ட்ஸில் இந்த ரேலி கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா அவங்க தான் இந்த ரேலி ஜெயிப்பாங்க. ஆனால் மெயின் முக்கியம் என்னென்னா, இந்த ரேலி வழியாக நாங்கள் டிரைவிங் டிசிப்ளின் அண்ட் தீம் பிரகாரம் நம்ம ஹிஸ்ட்ரி எல்லாருக்கும் காமிக்கிறோம். அதான் ஜெய் ஹிந்த் பேர் வைக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு கனெக்ஷன் இருக்குது. அந்த கனெக்ஷன் தான் இந்த ரேலியில் நாங்கள் காட்ட போகிறோம். அதனால் இந்த ரேலியில் நீங்கள் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணால் உங்களுக்கு அந்த கனெக்ஷன் கண்டிப்பாக தெரிஞ்சுட்டோ. அந்த ஜெய்ஹிந்துக்கு என்ன கனெக்ஷன் சென்னையோடய இருக்குது.
Every year, the Duchess Car Rally is like we're just announcing at the earlier meeting also. It is not just a rally, it is an emotion. In the Varsham, in the emotion, we're totally proud and totally happy about how our country is in what place, thanks to Operation Sindoor, how it was conducted, and to everyone who made us feel safe after that. So this is actually a tribute to everyone who has made us feel safe, everyone in the services. So this is like a thank you to them and a note of gratitude to them.
Yeah, you can say.
ஸோ இந்த ரேலி வந்து டச்சஸ் கிளப்பில் 24 வருஷமாக நடத்துகிறாங்க. இது வந்து 24th எடிஷன். இதில் என்னென்னா, அமித் சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி இது ரேஸ் கிடையாது. ஒரு 4 பேர் சேர்ந்து இந்த கார் ரேலியில் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணும்போது, நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸாக பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணாலும் சரி, இல்லை ஒரு ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸாக 4 பேர் வந்து பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணாலும் சரி, அந்த 2 மணி நேரம் எஃபெக்டிவாக சேர்ந்து வேலை பார்த்து, மெட்ராஸை சுற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோன்னு ஃபுல்லாக சுற்றி பார்த்து, அதில் இருக்கிற கொஸ்டின்ஸை சால்வ் பண்ணி, இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுற டைம் வந்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக போகும். வீட்டில் உட்காந்து டிவி பார்க்குறதோ இல்லை ஃபோனை ஸ்க்ரால் பண்ணுறதை விட இங்கே வந்து இந்த ரேலியில் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறது அந்த 4 பேருக்கு முதல்ல டிசிப்ளின். அவர் சொன்ன மாதிரி அந்த இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸை ஃபாலோ பண்ணோம். ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக ஓட்டுறவங்களுக்கு இன்ஃபேக்ட் பெனல்ட்டி கூட. அதனால ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக ஓட்டினா கண்டிப்பாக ப்ரைஸ் கிடைக்காது. இந்த டிசிப்ளினோட அந்த இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸையும் ரூட்டையும் மேப்பையும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணோம். ரெண்டாவது ஆப்சர்வேஷன். நம்ம போகிற வழியில் அவ்வளோ கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக வைப்பாங்க. 24 வருஷமாக நடத்துகிறாங்க. ஆனால் எவ்ரி இயர் அதில் வர அந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஒன்றொன்றும் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். அந்த ஆப்சர்வேஷன் நம்ம போகிற வழியில் பார்த்து என்ன எழுதியிருக்கு, இந்த இடத்துல என்ன இருக்குது, நம்மளே இவ்வளோ நாளாக ஒரு ரூட்டில் போயிட்டே இருந்திருப்போம். அந்த ரூட்டில் இருக்கிற பல விஷயங்களை நம்மளே கவனிச்சிருக்க மாட்டோம். அந்த ஆப்சர்வேஷனையும் இன்ஸ்டிகேட் பண்ணி ரொம்ப அழகாக அந்த 2.5 மணி நேரம் வந்து அவ்வளோ சந்தோஷமாக போகும். ஸோ இது ஒரு ரொம்ப நல்ல சான்ஸ். ஐதர் நீங்கள் டிரைவ் பண்ணாலும் சரி, நேவிகேட் பண்ணாலும் சரி, கண்டிப்பாக இந்த ரேலியில் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.
Chief guest இன்னும் பேசிட்டு இருக்கு. We will know only closer to the date. But கண்டிப்பாக நம்ம சுஹாசினி மணிரத்னம் வந்து டச்சஸ் கிளப்புக்கு ஆனரரி மெம்பர். ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக அந்த she is going to be a main support. She has agreed to be here. And we're talking to various people, many people from the services also. So hopefully we will come up with something. If they have no other commitment, they will be with us. Date is 29th of June. Exactly on the dot of 8 o'clock, the flag walk will happen. And it's because there is a format to it. அதுக்காக கரெக்டாக 8 மணிக்கு தான் வெளியில் போகணும். The first car has to go, and we're expecting more than 100 cars because that's a record that we have created last year. Also, more than 120 cars took part. So ஒரு காரில் 4 பேர் இருக்கணுமன்னா, Sunday morning நீங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக இங்கே வந்தால் you will see 400 people who are going to be
400 and
participating.
all. I
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
It's like a
ஸோ ஒரு கார்னிவல் மாதிரி இருக்கும், ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கும். ப்ளீஸ் கம் அண்ட் பி அ பார்ட் ஆஃப் இட், அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ ஃபார் கமிங் ஃபார்வர்ட் டு சப்போர்ட் அஸ்.
Very good evening to all of you. And yes, the 24th year. So we have a lot of changes or a lot of new things which we are doing this year. The rally was running in a particular format, so we have first of all changed a lot of things aesthetically. So you will find the entire touch and feel different, and it's no more time controls. I would call you have immigration controls. Okay, so you will no more get time cards. Each car will get a passport, and you will have to get your passport stamped at every immigration control. So these are some aesthetical changes which we are bringing in. Apart from that, it was very important for us with the theme and the purpose. In India, there are a lot of stories with each city. There are so many more people who've contributed in big numbers or with a lot of act and deed towards the independence of our country. And the term Jai Hind in itself has a connect with Chennai. So in the rally, you will get to know that connect of Jai Hind with Chennai. So this is something which you will get to discover during the rally. I mean, basically unknown truths of the city which will be brought to light with this event. So the theme is also very important for us, and the format also, there will be a slight change. You will be getting the entire route in parts. So you will run as part 1, part 2, and so we've brought in some good changes which will make it interesting. The questionnaire goes digital. So now no more papers and filling up and then running and oh no, I forgot my sheet. So it's a very simple Google form which you can fill up from your mobile phones. So even as far as the format and the thing goes, we are improving. And the biggest change is the timing is also digitized. Raji, important for you. The timing is also digitized. But now the time controls itself are digitized. You will now no more, the marshal will be holding a mobile phone. You punch in your number and yes, your time gets logged in immediately, goes to our server and your results are ready. It's no more calculation. As you check in the last TC, we have actually calculated, yes. I mean, we would not immediately release it because we need to even bring in the questionnaire, but then the timing has also been made digital. So it gets logged in as the car reaches every time control. We get it into our central server, and from the server, we are ready with the results as you come in. So a lot of changes, a lot of fresh element. Yes, the concept is the same, the car rally, and which is for, it is an event where we give to the society as much as what the society gives to us. So that's the bond which we have shared, and that's the connect with the Hum Panch, as I say. They are the Hum Panch of Chennai. So that's the connect which I've been having with them, and a big thank you to them to have always believed in me and my company, my family, because I'm a family-run concern now, and they've believed in us, and we've continued our relationship over the years. So, with that, I would say it's going to be exciting. It's going to be to the theme, and it's going to be all new avatar of the Duchess Rally. All the best to all of you.
Very all the best to the organizers here, especially Nina Madam and the famous five as mentioned by Amit sir. It's my 10th year in Indian Oil as I joined here. I just came to this event as a trainee, I remember. Then I'm now city manager, probably getting transferred soon. So this is the connect brand as a brand Indian Oil has with the people of Duchess Club here. So it's always a give and take, and we would like that this partnership is taken for granted for every year. So till this is going on, Indian Oil would be a part of this event. So as a responsible energy provider for Indian Oil, it's always a blessing to be connecting with the people, to be with the people. So it's a good win-win opportunity for both Indian Oil as well as the Duchess Club. All the best to the participants, to the organizers as well. Kind of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rajshekhar, and your support goes a very long way. Thank you. Can we invite Akhila to please come up from Electrify?
Good evening, everyone. As he mentioned, like these 5 people are really inspiring me, and this is the first time that we are participating in Duchess Club Car Rally. As you all know, that Elixify is a wellness. We are in the wellness industry. So wellness for us, it is not only related to skin and hair. For us, it is all about helping women feeling better and confidence in every step of their journey, which I can very much relate to this event and keep going. And we also wish to be part of this for a very long time in the coming years. Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you, Akhila, and surely we'll all be very happy with you. I would like to invite Ms. Rohini, Chief Designer from Decogis, to please say a few words.
Hi and a good evening, and I'm very happy to be here. I was not prepared for a speech because Vasu said, my husband said there's only a meeting, and as always he threw me under the bus. But again, we come back, right, as women, and our power is to come back even if we are put under the tire bus or bulldozers also. So the moment I entered this, I'm just speaking from my heart, and the moment I entered this hall, I find a lot of warmth and the vibe itself, like I knew you all already. And only when I introduced myself, Rohini, I've seen you somewhere, I've heard of you. And so, it's vice versa, likewise also. I see a lot of women power in this, and Decogis is a one-stop solution for the entire interior solution for a house. From pin to plane, you have everything in our place. So we are very happy to be a part of this and wish you all success and very well and a very healthy rally and all the very best. More power to you all.
Thank you so much, and we look forward for all our participants to visit your store. I forgot to mention Radio 1 is our media partner, a radio partner, where you'll be hearing the jingles on it as well as some bites from all of us. I think, Dina, nobody's here from Radio 1 today. Yeah, they would probably join us later. So any questions from the media? The floor is open and Amit can answer or anybody else can answer. Before that, I would request the participants of our previous years to please come up and share their experiences and a few words. Could we have one of you please come up? Raji, Soumya, Shivani, one of you please come up. All of you can come up one by one.
Good evening, everyone. As Nina mentioned, it's not just an event, it's an emotion. For us, Car Rally, Duchess Car Rally is an emotion. Each and every year, we look forward to this time of the year. And whatever has happened in the recent times, it is our duty to say that we are with you, to the nation actually. Whoever is protecting us, we are there for them. We are supporting them. And I always make sure to participate in a different group so that you get the bonding, and it is really good. We are friends when we are starting the rally. By end of the rally, we don't even see each other's face actually, but it's fine. It's strengthening the bond.
And I just love it. I just love it, actually. So look forward to this year's event. Thank you.
Good afternoon and Jai Hind. I'm Shivani, a freelance media professional and a member of the Duchess Club, I think for close to 20 years now. And I've been doing the rally also for maybe 17, 18 years. It's been a great experience doing the rally, from messing up the first few times to winning a lot of times. It's an experience in itself. And I've seen the rally also evolve. I think now they've reached a stage where passion meets purpose. The passion with which they've been organizing the rally and being able to do it at a time when Chennai city is in such a mess, the roads are so bad, there's so many diversions. If the rally is happening, it's because of the passion that the Duchess 5 have, especially Nina and Sujata, who've been rallying always, and they wanted to keep the rally going. And Amit, who lives and breathes motorsports. I've been seeing him for so many years, so that's the only thing that can make a rally like this happen at a time like this in Chennai. And I'm very happy with the theme as well, because the words Jai Hind give me goosebumps. I'm someone who's had the privilege of walking into spaces with VIPs, and when I see those, the police or the CRPF in the airport greeting us with Jai Hind, it really gives me goosebumps and brings tears to my eyes. So I'm very happy we've chosen this as a cause, and I think it should continue as a cause for the Duchess Club through the year. We can associate it with a group like, I had sent it to Anu Army Women's Welfare Association, AVA, and it can continue to be a bond. But I'm sure the rally is going to be very interesting. Amit doesn't give easy routes, so it should be very interesting. And the media also should take part actually in groups of your own, so you get an experience of the rally. I don't know if I'm doing it. I don't think I'm doing it this year, but I'll definitely be there the morning to support the cause. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. Congratulations on an amazing 24th year, and we are looking forward to the Silver Jubilee next year. Without the rally, what is a typical Sunday morning in your life? Okay, cycling is for some crazy people in the room, but other than that, it would be scrolling in your phone, looking at Insta Reels. Now you would be creating Reels. Okay? You're no longer viewing history, you're making history. That's what the Duchess Rally is about. If you're going to be also spending 2 hours without logging into your social media handles, that would be the only time that you're participating in the rally. Because you would be creating your own movies. There is going to be a lot of masala, comedy, action, drama, everything inside the car. And after that, the effects last 1 week. We go back and think, what did we do? How did we miss? This is wrong. Amit is not good at this. We should have done the rally ourselves. That's why I didn't get the prize. This is something I would have done differently. You know, we replay the rally for almost a week and relive it whether or not we win a prize. It lives with us till it's time for the next rally. So that's what this experience is about, girls. Encourage everyone to join in the fun, whether you're going to be a warrior on wheel, driving, or the power navigating. Whatever it is, this time the power is in your hands. Okay? Good fun rallying and have a fabulous Sunday.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Geeta. I belong to the Duchess Club. I'm also a Bob rider, and the Duchess Club and the Bob Cycling Group has really opened up my life so much, and I'm seeing a different life now, altogether a different life. And first and foremost, I would like to thank my captains, the Duchess 5, for this big change in my life. So it means a lot to me, okay? So now coming to the rally, since I think last 6 to 7 years I've been participating in the rally. And every time, the moment the rally comes up, I'm too excited about it. And you must see the way our whole team thinks about what we have to do and how we plan it and how we fight about everything, right from the dressing to the costume. And one person says not this way and not that way and all that. So it's so much of fun. This morning also we had gone to a place to select our clothes and all that. And you must see the differences we've all had, and each one bossing over the other one. No, you got to dress like that. No, you got to dress like this. Oh my God, it was fun. So looking forward, after all the effort has been taken now, looking forward to come fully dressed now for all this thing, especially on a Sunday. So I'm really grateful to Mr. Amit. I've known him for quite some time now because my son was also a racer. So I've been seeing him in all the racetracks. So nice, Mr. Amit. Again, I'm going to say you all my life. So the rally is so good every year. It's so good, and you must see the life, the color, so much of vibes, good vibes, the vibration, and somebody Nina ma'am talked about emotions. It's true. It's so emotional. It's so emotional, and I really thank the five Duchess for all the effort which they've taken to contribute to make sure that every woman, every man, every child, every family, every staff, and in fact, if I've left out a few, please excuse me. Everybody is involved in it. Everybody, and you must see the way they put in their heart and soul into making this event such a great success. And in fact, all the five are great philanthropists in their own way. Really proud of them. I'm really, really proud of them. They bring pride to the nation. They bring pride to everybody. And everywhere I go, everybody must talk about the Duchess Five Ladies, which I've become really proud about. So anyway, this thank you, Mr. Amit, for conducting this. All the effort goes into it. So much of effort. Hats off to you and my five Duchess, and to all the participants here. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. I'm Jai Hind. This is our theme for the car rally 2025. I think we really look forward to this annual event by the Duchess Club. And trust me, my heart and soul goes out to the Duchess Club. One Sunday, leaving your husband, leaving your house, and it feels great. So I think it's really, really good. And trust me, for me, it's not easy to leave my husband on a Sunday and come out. But then I do it for the Duchess car rally. And I think it's real fun from the time of getting our theme, deciding our costumes, and planning the whole thing. I think Girija will tell you a little more about it.
Hello everyone. I really look forward to this event every year, and I would like to add one more thing. You know, I love the bonding inside the car, but once we enter the car, there's so much of killing also going on inside, and we come out as best friends or better friends later on, you know. So we don't even realize that what we have done inside. We fight like cats and dogs, and like I mentioned, I think last time also, it's mandatory that we should fight once a year. So that's always there for us. And we look forward to all the themes and the dressing and all that. We dress up in various costumes, and it's so interesting shopping for it, and you know, and posing and for the pictures, and we really look forward to all that. And of course, we have participated. This is my 10th year, I guess, 10th or 12th. I've never won a single rally, but but I don't mind. That doesn't stop me anyways. So I love to participate. The spirit of participation matters the most. That's what I feel. And the dressing and all that, you know, we really look forward to all that. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Yes, and non-stop photography. Yes, clicking. Yes, that's the passion. Thank you.
Girija has her non-stop reels and pictures, and thank you Duchess 5 for planning this to the T. Excellent planning. Can't think of it in a better way. So Jai Hind, and looking forward to a great Sunday 29th for the car rally. Thank you.
A very good evening, all of you. I have been participated with friends also, and till date the bonding is going so strong. It's been 4 years. The bonding is so strong. So this time I decided to take part in family category, and my little one is more excited than me. She's like, I'll navigate, I'll calculate, I'll do everything. And she has already thought of her dressing, what to do, what not to do. And one thing I would like to add, Amit sir is teaching us so much of things. Chennai ke jo monuments hai, we get to know. Chennai ke jo roads hai, what we do not know. He teaches us all these things. So thank you, Amit sir. Thank you, everyone. We are looking forward to it. Thank you.
Good evening, all. I'm not as good as speaker like how the previous ones actually spoke here, but I just want to tell you all a few things. They all have covered everything about the rally, and this is my 9th year of participation in the car rally, and almost every year, I think, don't want to boast here, but yeah, our team has won almost every year, and since they all have told everything about the rally, it's fun. so much of energy. We start planning so many things 1 week before the rally about the costumes and everything. And we come here with so much of no expectations, nothing. I mean, we just come here to have fun. We enjoy the rally and everything. I just wanted to tell one thing about what nobody has told about. There is a big feast waiting after the rally. There is biryani, parvata, chicken gravy, and everything. Just for all, just for 1,500 rupees, you register and then you have so much fun. It's 2 hours of friendship, fun, bonding, and everything, and a big feast. It's totally worth the money. Just come and have fun. Thank you.
Thank you to each and every one of you to come up and say a few words and all motivating, encouraging, interesting, exciting. Anu, would you like to come up and say a few words? Anu Sethi is here. And before she comes up, I would like to thank the Bob cycling team. Vibha really takes a lot. She's not here today, but she takes a lot of effort and she makes sure the teams are made and registered. And every day she's calling them up, have they registered or not registered? And I think the Bobs add a lot of color to our rally. Thank you, Nina. Thank you, Preeti. And thank you, Vibha. And 14 teams have already signed up for the rally from Bobs. Some of our duchesses are also a part of Bobs.
Jai Hind, everyone. So most of the things actually everybody has said. I just want to say, keep the Josh high and give tough competition to each other. I have just participated in one rally, and last year I was with the organizers because I couldn't participate. But this time, yeah, lots of preparation happening. Let's see, I'm looking forward with all the excitement. Thank you, Duchess.
So we have the flag off at 8 a.m. on the 29th of June. This is for all the media and the press. And we have a briefing for the rally on the 27th at 4 p.m. Same place at Savera. We welcome you, Mr. Bala from Radio 1, our media partner. Would you like to come up and say a few words, please?
It's actually a pride for us to be part of this rally. Every now and then we always want to connect back to the city. This is very, very crucial. And the people who are associated with this rally of this kind and making actually people feel proud that we are part of a city which has actually given us a lot, and making women feel extremely important, because my station has all the radio jockeys are all women. That's so proud of me. We always feel that, like empowering them is very important because they empower the society. And that's where actually the Duchess Club have always behaved. Thanks to Dina, my very close friend. We have been part of a radio community for dog years, if I may say so. And really happy to have been part of this, association. And I look forward for many in the days to come. And thank you for giving us this opportunity. Thanks a lot.
And now we wait for all the jingles on the Radio 1. Can I invite Dina, please, to come up? Dina, please come up. Dina has been helping us with the PR, and Jayalakshmi from Savera has also been helping us with the PR. Thank you so much for all your media and support, media help and support.
So all the best, guys. Thank you.
That was really short. Dina has been very enthusiastic and helping us to make all the promo reels and everything. And it's nice to have a new dimension to our promos. Thank you. Any questions from the press towards the rally? Any questions? So the rally is to be flagged off. I repeat again for the media, 8 a.m. on Sunday, 29 June. So you can be here from 7:15, 7:30 onwards to capture all the excitement and all the costumes and the carnival atmosphere. And we have the prize distribution followed by lunch. Following up of the rally is the lunch, and which is followed by the prize distribution in the afternoon. And we have the briefing for the car rally on the 27th at 4 p.m. at Savera. This is important to be mentioned in the media. Thank you.
It has not waned at all, and I'm glad to say that I have a fantastic team of girls with me. And Rati, Anu Agarwal, I think Anu Sachdev is missing now. Sujata and myself, we are the 5 who conduct this event year on year, and I'm happy to say that we've had all our 23 events successfully, which have taken off and come back everyone safe. And like how Sujata was saying, nothing is possible without our sponsors, because it's impossible to conduct any event without heartfelt thanks to each one of them. And the Duchess All Women Car Rally is not just an event. It is not. Like, people who have taken part, I'm sure when you come up and speak to us, you will tell us your experiences. It is not just any other car rally. From our side, lot of emotion goes into it, because I think it's important that somewhere I would like to believe that we have contributed to Chennai women drivers, because 24 years back we were that much less, I feel, and we like to honor all the women drivers who take to the wheels, Other than that, when I say emotion, we also make sure that each of a theme aligns with it's something to do with our countries, either patriotism or something to do with our state, which makes us proud, or like a theme like a girl child, So even the themes that we select are very carefully done so that to bring out the right emotion. And this year especially, it's all about our Bharat. We are so proud of everyone who takes care of us all out there, on the borders, everywhere out there, who make us feel so safe. Okay, so this is actually a tribute to them. And also some of the proceeds will go to the War Widows Association in Chennai. We'll be talking to them. And of course, heartfelt gratitude to Amit, because without Amit, I don't think it's possible to do anything. Amit, so thank you so much for believing in us all these years. And he's the one who's actually always tweaking the event to make it look very different, because it doesn't get boring. And he will tell you in his talk, how different the rally is this time. So we are good to go? Yeah?
Recap.
Yeah.
We have a recap which we are just playing on the video now of so many years, 24 years. Last 24 years with all the costumes and all the excitement. And now we have two of our promos. One was made by Lanson Toyota and one was made by Dina yesterday.
2025. 100 cars, 400 incredible women, and one unforgettable journey. With Lanson Toyota by your side, your pit stop just got way smarter. More than cars, we drive confidence. In every salute, a story. In every driver, a warrior. This is the Duchess Rally 2025. Join us as we salute our nation.
We don't just drive, we lead.
This time is for the ones who protect us.
For every hero in uniform, this ride is our salute.
We are ready. Are you? Jai Hind!
We are playing on the social media to get us the entries. So please do share and make it viral. Can I invite Amit to please come up now? We welcome Ms. Rohini, Chief Designer from Decoggius, who are also our co-sponsors for this year. Our prize sponsors, as you can see on the banner, we have Club Mahindra holiday vouchers, O2 Health Studio gym vouchers, Cut Above Beauty Parlor voucher, and we have Amit Arora from AA Motorsport Solutions, who is the backbone